Happy learning. In this video, discuss about on subqueries. First of all, what do you mean by subquery? A subquery is a query within another SQL query and embedded within var class. The important rules are: the first rule is a subquery can be placed in a number of SQL classes like var class, from class, having class. Second, you can use subquery with select, update, insert, delete statement along with the operators like equal, less than, greater than, less than or equal, greater than or equal, in and between, and etc. Third important rule is a subquery is a query within another query. The outer query is known as the main query and the inner query is known as a subquery. Next is subqueries are not right side of the comparison operators. A subquery is enclosed in the parenthesis. Last one, in the subquery, order by command cannot be used, but the group command can be used in the perform the same function as order by command. First, subqueries within the select statement. SQL subqueries are most frequently used with the select statement. The syntax: select column name from table name, where column name expression of operator, open bracket, select column name from table name, where etc., close bracket, end with semicolon. The example: consider the employee table having following records. It contains 7 records. A subquery with select statement will be: a query is select from employee where ID in select ID from employee where salary less than or less than 4,500. The next one is subqueries within the insert statement. SQL subquery can also used with the insert statement. In the insert statement, data written from the subquery is used into another table. In the subquery, the selected data can be modified with any of the character date functions. Syntax: insert into table name, open bracket, column name 1 and column name 2 and column name 3 and etc., close bracket, select from table name where value operator. Example: consider the table employee backup is similar as the employee. Now using the syntax, copy to complete employee table into employee backup table. Insert into employee backup, select asterisk from employee where ID in open bracket, select ID from employee. Next, subqueries with the update statement. A subquery of SQL can be used in conjunction with the update statement. When the subquery is used with the update statement, then either single or multiple columns in a table can be updated. Syntax: update table, set column name equal to new value where value operator, open bracket, select column name from table name where conditions, close bracket, semicolon. Example: Let's assume we have employee backup table available, which is the backup of employee table. The given example updates the salary by 0.25 times in the employee table for all those age is greater than or equal to 29. So the query is update employee set salary equal to salary asterisk 0.25 where age in open bracket select age from customer backup where age greater than or equal to 29 close bracket end with semicolon. This is the impact of 3 rows and finally the employee table would have following records. So the salaries are multiplied into 0.25. Fourth one is subqueries with the delete statement. The subquery of SQL can be used in conjunction with the delete statement, just like any other statement mentioned above. Syntax: delete from table name where value operator open bracket select column name from table name where conditions close bracket end with semicolon. Example: let's assume we have employee backup table available which backup of employee table. The given example delete the records from employee table for all employees whose age greater than or equal to 29. So the query is delete from employee where age in open bracket select age from employee backup where age greater than or equal to 29 close bracket end with semicolon. This is would impact 3 rows and finally the employee table would have the following records. The 3 records already deleted, so remaining 4 records will be displayed. In, any, all and exist. In means in allows to check whether a value is a given set of elements. Any allows to check if at least a value of the list satisfy the conditions. All allows to check if the condition is realized for all the values of the list. Exist allows to check whether a set of non-empty. Thank you, student.